I listen to the radio and I hear someone head of state going to Venezuela and they take the president like pick-up order. What really going on here?
Well, now, it ain't that simple, partner. The U.S. and Venezuela have been at odds for years. Sanctions, drug charges, regime pressure.
Nah. Me no want the history lesson, star. Me want to know how you preach democracy, but move like dictatorship with boots on.
They called it an operation. They captured the president and flew him out. No war declaration.
So wait, when them do it, a operation China. But when next country try that, them call it kidnapping? Democracy with subtitles?
Look, the U.S. said it was about stability and transition. Folks argue it breaks international law, sure.
So democracy now come with abduction package, free election, and a free pickup?
Man, I just drive the cab. Politics ain't got seatbelts.
For more taxi reasoning, share, like, and subscribe to 100 Sketch TV. Make we reason together, elevate the mind, and keep the vibes irie.